Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I am an American abroad student in Germany. This is my story. Today, I want to tell you about my evening routine. You can read my story and learn English with me. If you love my stories and want to continue learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your favorite part of the story, or share your own. I like to read your comments. Let's get started. My evening routine is important because it helps me relax after a busy day at work. It's a time for me to unwind, take care of myself, and get ready for a good night's sleep. Here's how I usually spend my evenings. I usually get home around 6 p.m. The first thing I do is change out of my work clothes and put on something comfortable, like sweatpants and a soft t-shirt. This helps me feel more relaxed and signals that the workday is over. I often take a moment to sit down and just breathe, letting go of any stress from the day. By 7 p.m., I start making dinner. I like to cook simple, healthy meals. Sometimes, I make grilled chicken with vegetables or a pasta dish with a salad. Cooking helps me unwind, and I enjoy trying out new recipes. While I cook, I might listen to music or a podcast, which makes the process even more enjoyable. Once dinner is ready, I sit down at the table and enjoy my meal. I try to eat mindfully, without distractions like TV or my phone. This helps me focus on the taste of the food and enjoy the moment. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen so it's nice and tidy for the next day. After dinner, I spend some time doing things I enjoy. Sometimes, I read a book or watch a TV show. I like to choose something light and fun to help me relax. Other times, I might work on a hobby, like drawing or writing in my journal. These activities help me wind down and take my mind off work. If I'm feeling tired, I might take a warm bath or do some gentle yoga. This helps me relax my muscles and prepare for sleep. I also like to make a cup of herbal tea, which is soothing and calming. Around 9:30 p.m., I start my nighttime skincare routine. I wash my face, apply moisturizer, and use some eye cream. Taking care of my skin is a nice way to pamper myself before bed. It also helps me feel fresh and clean. After my skincare routine, I get ready for bed. I put on my pajamas and make sure my bedroom is cozy. I like to dim the lights and maybe light a scented candle to create a peaceful atmosphere. I also make sure my phone is on Do Not Disturb so I won't be distracted by notifications. Before going to sleep, I take a few minutes to reflect on the day. I think about what went well and what I'm grateful for. Sometimes, I write these thoughts down in my journal. This helps me end the day on a positive note. Finally, I get into bed around 10:30 p.m. I take a few deep breaths to relax my body and mind. If I'm not too sleepy, I might read a few pages of a book, but I try to keep it short so I can get enough rest. I make sure my alarm is set for the next morning, and then I turn off the lights. By 11 p.m., I'm usually ready to fall asleep. I close my eyes and let go of any remaining thoughts or worries. My evening routine helps me feel calm and prepared for the next day. It's a time to take care of myself, relax, and get the rest I need to be at my best tomorrow. This simple evening routine helps me unwind from the day and ensures that I get a good night's sleep. It's important for me to have this time to relax and recharge, so I can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on a new day.